Yeye Kudi fárígá o ẹ̀yin èèyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad Yeye Kudi fọgbà yẹn gan wọ́n fún gbogbo ẹ̀ wẹ́lẹ́wẹ́lẹ́ wọ́n ṣàlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ ìdí táwọn ò fi pa ọwọ́ pọ̀ mọ́ anybody lórí pé wọ́n ń wá justice for Mohbad lórí ayélujára Yeye Kudi ní tàwọn yá wọn àwọn mọ táwọn ń ṣe àwọn mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ decide láti wà láyé ọ̀tọ̀ ni fún àwọn ìdí kan tó ṣe kókó tó ṣe pàtàkì nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí Yeye Kudi sọ wọ́n jẹ́ àmọ̀ pé àwọn kan tó ń pariwo justice for Mohbad lórí ayélujára wọ́n kàn ń fi justice for Mohbad yìí wọ́n kàn fi ń bojú láti máa ṣiṣẹ́ láabi ni táwọn làwọn tí Yeye Kudi ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ Yeye Kudi mẹ́nuba gbogbo àwọn tíìmù yìí gbogbo àwọn tíìmù oríṣiríṣi tán ti pín sóríṣiríṣi lórí ọ̀rọ̀ kéèsì Mohbad èmi ni tíìmù lágbájá èmi ni tíìmù tàmọ̀dò gbogbo wọn pátá ni Yeye Kudi sọ̀rọ̀ nípa wọn fọ́nrán ìkún fún ọ̀rọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ nípa bí àwọn kan ṣe create different team lórí ayélujára different team táwọn á fi orí gbogbo àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí alọ́ba fi gbára wọn fọ́nrán ìkún fún oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ àfi kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ kí n tó wá gbé fọ́nrán òun wọlé ìkànnì Digi Naija Television lẹ́tí ń wò mí tẹ́ ti ń gbọ́ mi ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa tẹ subscribe button tó wà lójú ìwòran yín ẹ like ẹ comment kẹ́ ẹ sì máa pín fọ́nrán yìí kó máa lọ káàkiri wọ́n tọwọ́ bọ Yeye Kudi lẹ́nu o Yeye Kudi sì sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán yìí Yeye Kudi tú gbogbo ẹ̀ palẹ̀ okun ẹ̀yin èèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò lè yé yín àfi kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ fọ́nrán rèé ó yá ẹ jẹ́ n gbé wọlé.
Who told you that Bukky Jesse Eleyin Iku, you are the one calling her Eleyin Iku? It's your bloody business. Who told you she's in my team? Ask her, has she ever spoken to me? Since, do you know on this social media it is Bukky that gave me the name Overcooked Turkey? I don't do team. I have never done team before. Which Bukky Jesse? Ask her, have I ever spoken to her? So I thought of this issue like, this is all just justice for Mohbad. Ọlọ́pàá èwo wá ní tèpè. Are you getting me? All of them, I will always say it. This justice for Mohbad, all of them now, tó gbé lórí, I will still say that one. I started talking about it before they joined. But I've never in my life sat down on this my platform to condemn anything they say. In fact, I remember somebody that knows me very well, when they saw Osha, where she was sitting with that native doctor and co, and they are planning evil for me. The person was concerned for me. The person had to send me the, you know, that time the woman shaking the box room, in fact, that is TikTok. I didn't even know that, you know, it was them that made me to join TikTok. I had only 1,000 followers on TikTok. It was them that made me to join TikTok. I was wondering, what is that box? Only for me to realize it's TikTok. They were planning evil for me. I still have those videos. They were mentioning my name. They were placing curses. The simple question I had to ask myself was, what is the cause of this? Only because I said, justice for Mohbad. Wunmi is a potential prime suspect. End of. Never a time. Never a time. And I repeat, have I, Kudi, sat down on this my platform to call Wunmi derogatory names? No. Curse on Liam? No. Talked on paternity of Liam? As in, just as much as in the beginning they were talking about it, I wasn't even interested. I have asked 1,000 times, go and tender me just a video where I, Yeye Kudi, mentioned or cursed or talked on paternity as to anything about paternity to even talk condemning Liam. I've been asking. But you know, they all have ulterior motives. They have been hating before this matter erupted. Because that is the only way I could dissect them. I just chose to myself that after all, I met them all on social media. Everybody find your way. But I held on to the videos of how they have been cursed. I have screenshots of different places. Until one day when I got so frustrated, I had to bring out when they sent me video of where Osha and Co were sitting down in their box room because they said they sleep there overnight. Where they were planning evil for me. I had to place the video on my platform. I then told people on my platform. I said, please, I never introduced Osha. And it was likes of Sister Wande and Co. Flekichuku I was referring to. Because many of them went from this my page. When Osha started doing blogging, many of my followers, they went to her to support her. So I told them, oh her, please, you followed Osha on your own, no. I'm not in any way related to her. Then some of them actually must have noticed on their own. We thought maybe they are related though. Sister Wandeke, no, don't. Jamila, please let me talk. Sister Wande understands what I mean. Please, let me talk. Sister Wande she's not a dummy. Sister Wande supporting doesn't mean she's a bad person. Please. Because this thing nearly caused fight between me and Sister Wande. So Jamila, please allow me talk. Allow me talk. As I was saying, because I want to take and let us get this record very, very straight. I want you people to get this record very, very straight. So that was my first outburst on the social media. And I backed it up with, take this. You people, she's not related to me in any way. Look at where they are planning evil for me on TikTok. And she's their Ogadia. So the way you people are taking her on this platform should stop. A lot of you followed her to support her from this platform. But if you do, you are doing it for yourself. It doesn't have anything to do with me. Apparently, she went to gather people, the native doctor, that King White, all of them, they did chats. People still sent it to me. She was there. I'm a budget lover. Carried it. You know, it was on this Mohbad case that I banned I'm a budget lover from my platform. In fact, I blocked her. Because she will carry what I'm saying, she will take it to her platform, they will be cursing under it. And she would say that she went to sleep and you are using my video to make money and they are cursing under it. Basically on, this is my own stance. Wunmi is a potential prime suspect alongside Adura, alongside all the people that were with Mohbad 72 to 48 hours before his demise. And that's the stance on this platform. It has never changed. I don't think there's more that I have mentioned. As a matter of fact, I have started talking on this particular issue before all the people, even in Mohbad's team, even in Wunmi's team, started talking about it. I started talking about it the day or 2 days after the demise of Mohbad, which is in September. So most of them came in November, December. And you will never hear me talk against them. You will never hear me raise a brawl against their opinion or their view. But when I talk, you know, please, who is this? But your team can be shouting his name, especially from... just shut up your dirty mouth. Who told you that Bukky Jesse, you are the one calling her Yeye Kudi? It's your bloody business. Who told you she's in my team? Ask her, has she ever spoken to me? Since, do you know on this social media, it is Bukky that gave me the name Overcooked Turkey? Are you people mad? You think I forget history? Ask Konfi, Tolani Konfi, has she ever spoken to me before? Which team? Ask her, do I do team with any of them? Does she do team with me? Now. You are all morons. Set of people who will like Karawan. I don't do team. If there's anybody I speak to in justice for Mohbad, it is Bossman, Lady Ryan, and what's this guy's name? K-Crown. But they can tell you, which I'm going to get there. You must say sorry. The last time I can remember once that I spoke to Bukky all my life was during the lifetime of my younger sister of blessed memory. If there's anybody that have abused me the most on this social media, it is Bukky Jesse. But I choose to keep quiet. Just like Toko Tade, all of them, they abuse me. Anosha, Akakos, people will go under her and be calling my own daughter gay. Many things. Torí mo dákẹ́ mò ń wò. Ẹ rò pé orí mi ò pé ni. Moving forward, I've came into this justice for Mohbad on my own. I have never, nobody brought me into it. I have not brought anybody into it. I've been on my own. The only time I even talk to people or people in this justice for Mohbad is K-Crown, Lady Ryan, Bossman, and Moses. Once a blue moon, Moses. Every other person I don't know in this justice for Mohbad. Baba Mohbad, I've only seen him once. As a matter of fact, he can testify that I am the last person that talks to him. Can I shock you people? I haven't talked to him since I came back from Nigeria.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára o ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Àfikún náà ó dá sọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad yìí ló kù báyìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí lè ròǹgbà tiyín náà lórí tí Yeye Kudi sọ yìí. Torí tá bá ní ká wò dáadáa, à ń gbéra ẹni ṣépè kọ́ ló lè mú justice wáyé. Gbogbo wa la ní láti sìmẹ̀dọ̀ kí justice yìí ò lè wáyé lóòótọ́ lódodo bá a ṣe fẹ́. Ìkànnì Digi Naija Television ní kẹ́ máa wò lóòrèkóòrè. Ẹ sì má gbàgbé láti tẹ subscribe button tó ń bẹ lójú ìwòran yín. Ẹ like, ẹ comment, kẹ́ sì máa share fídíò yìí kó máa lọ káàkiri. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní gbogbo ìgbà.